Hey guys, have you ever spotted a fox scampering across an open field in India? That's probably the Bengal fox, or as it's affectionately called, the Indian fox. These clever little creatures are true survivors of the subcontinent, adapting to everything from grasslands to semi-arid scrublands. Now, I find it fascinating that Bengal foxes are super active during those magical hours at dawn and dusk. When the sun gets too much, they don't hang around. They just chill in their underground dens. Some of these dens are basically their family homes, used year after year. You might think foxes are solitary, but the Bengal fox usually forms monogamous pairs. Sometimes, you'll even spot a whole family group if there are older pups around, all sticking together. It's quite heartwarming. Now, when it comes to food, these foxes don't fuss. They're opportunists, eating insects, tiny mammals, birds, and even fruits. This flexible diet not only keeps them healthy, but it also helps control pests and spread seeds around their habitat. So in a way, they're mini ecosystem managers. What's even more impressive is how well they've adapted to living near people. You can sometimes see them on the outskirts of villages, blending in and making the best of scraps and whatever nature offers. But it's not all smooth sailing. Bengal foxes are facing tough times thanks to habitat loss and hunting. Every time grasslands are cleared or new farms pop up, these foxes lose a bit more space. So next time you're out exploring the countryside, keep an eye out for this clever little animal. The Bengal fox is a reminder of how unique and resilient India's wildlife can be. Let's appreciate them and do our bit to help them thrive. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wildlife wonders.